What's up guys, welcome back to the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel. So we're on the build series, we've got the Gray Ghost behind us, we're diving back into the fuel injectors. So you guys know we're after our C5 HP package, that's 1500 rear wheel horsepower. We went to Beans this year, we made over 900 with our DYNOMITE diesel injectors. We've had great luck out of these injectors. They're all brand new. If you watch the video, we're gonna send them back to DYNOMITE, they're gonna do their work to them. We're gonna go for 1500 rear wheel horsepower. So stay tuned, here we go. Alright guys, so you just seen we took out the fuel injectors of Gray Ghost. These were good, remember, for 900 rear-wheel horsepower. Those are 55 liter per minute injector. So if you want to know what it takes to make 1,000 horse from 900, that's what it took. Now, we got to go bigger. We're after that C5 HP package, so we're going to have to go a lot bigger. Alright guys, so if you hadn't subscribed to the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Also, all you guys driving 1,000 rear-wheel horsepower, 6.7 liter Cummins trucks, I want to hear from you. Who makes your injectors? How big they are? Guys, on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, we're dropping content every single day. Customer builds, PBP gear, and all of our personal stuff. Tune in every single Friday. We're going to have the Built series rolling. We're going to have customer stuff going. Tune in. See you next time on the PBP YouTube channel.